Hello traders, before we get into this review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, on my screen right now, I'm looking at the Hero EA listing inside the MetaTrader Market. This is version 1.2, last updated on the 19th of September 2023, and it is priced at 30 US dollars. I can also see it has a limited license cap, meaning only 100 users can get access according to what we have here. And it looks like the remaining slots are already fully taken. Scrolling through the page, the developer Claudia Ramona and Jera describes this EA as a combination of artificial intelligence and classic trading strategies. It also mentions that it uses more than 10 well-known indicators and patterns, along with some private indicators and strategy logic layered together. One thing that stands out immediately is the emphasis on risk control. It clearly states there is no martingale or hedging involved, which is usually something traders pay attention to when evaluating EAs. Instead, it mentions profit limits and loss limits applied to all trades, which suggests a more structured approach to trade management. All right, so it is designed for major forex pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and USD CAD, and it supports multiple time frames ranging from M15 all the way up to D1. So it looks fairly flexible, depending on how you want to apply it. It also mentions compatibility with all brokers and relatively low balance and leverage requirements starting from around 50. Now, moving into the setup instructions, it's pretty straightforward. You install it through the MetaTrader Market, attach it to a chart, and load the recommended settings provided by the developer. It also notes that default settings are already usable, which makes it easier for beginners to get started. All right, moving into the backtesting section, this is where we can evaluate how the expert advisor behaved historically. The developer highlights a strong backtest performance, and what I'm mainly looking for here is how consistently it handled different market conditions over time rather than focusing on any single outcome. Okay, so from a strategy perspective, what stands out from the description is that it likely relies on a combination of indicator signals and pattern recognition supported by AI logic with built-in trade boundaries through profit and loss limits. But again, this is strictly based on what is provided, not speculation beyond that. Now we're just going to head over to the strategy tester. We want to run a test on Hero EA. We're just going to be using the Euro USD symbol M15 time frame. We're running the test from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date, so that we can get a reasonable data for the back testing. As for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server, and then we are using the every tick modeling. All right, the test has been completed, and from what I can see here, this EA seems to be capturing perhaps mid-term movement, but still sort of intraday movement. Although the trades seem to be moving from, okay, not all the trades, right? Because you can see this particular trade was executed this day and it was closed the next day, right? But it spans several hours, a good number of hours, and there is notable spacing between the trades. Okay, so this is not exactly a scalping technique. This particular trade was quite short though compared to the others. All right, but the EA is not the type to stack a lot of trades. Based on what we can see here, you can see that it's not stacking a lot of trades. It's just one trade at a time based on what we can observe here on the chart history. Okay, um now looking at the overall historical performance, it's important to remember that this is backtested data. Results can vary significantly depending on broker conditions, spread, execution speed, and your chosen risk settings. So it's always a good idea to run longer testing periods yourself before making any real decisions. Okay, from the results here, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, there was a total net profit of $6,592.92, and the total trades taken were 60, 31 short trades with 58.06% win rate, 29 long trades with 48.28% win rate, and we can see that the largest profit was $5,590.9. The largest loss was $6,567.5, and the average profit was $4,275.78, while the average loss was $4,651.15. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, because the average profit is less than the average loss. So, we have a bad risk to reward ratio. And then talking about the win rate, even the win rate is not good enough, right? So, it's it's um it's not good enough. But luckily, the win rate was sufficient enough to fetch over 6%, about roughly 6.6% of total net profit over a little less than 5 months, right? Based on the duration for our testing, right? Now, overall, Hero EA presents itself as a structured AI assisted system with a focus on risk control and diversified signal generation. All right, it looks fairly straightforward to install and test, but like with any EA, I'll still recommend forward testing it properly before considering live usage. Okay, so looking at the graph briefly, we can see this. This is quite a roller coaster. So we had an upward move for a while, and then we had a we had a consistent downward move, and then we had a sideways move, and then an upward move again, and it seems as if there was going to be another perhaps downward move. So this is quite an interesting graph here. Okay, but remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. And if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.